Dun 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 dun. Dee-dee-dee-dee, ding, ding, dee-dee-dee-dee, ding, 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 ding. It is your favorite boy, Azim. Today we will be making, the name is Cookies and Cream Cheerio Ice Cream. Let me show you what we are going to need. We will need milk because my minion is very happy. And let's put that aside. So I remember we had already said that. You'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. This is sugar. This is flour, cocoa, and vegetable oil. This is vinegar. This is baking soda. This is baking powder. And yeah, let's start the video. So first of all, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. We have to crack it. The last one. There we go. Close your ears, everybody. Now, since we are done mixing the egg and sugar, this step we are going to, sorry about that noise. We are going to put the oil, right? Now flour. And now cocoa puff, and then cocoa. I don't know. Now baking soda and baking powder / power. Now mix with this. Oh God, it looks so yummy. This is vinegar, and we will put it in. There, now, the milk. That is all the ingredients, guys. We are done mixing. A-Z-I-M. There. We are done mixing. And we are gonna put in this cupcake. So I will need something. Be back. Don't forget to put your oven in 350 degrees. So we are gonna put everything in this cup thingy. Mixer is not all the way full. This is my little cousin. I can carry him. He is very cute but very annoying. So we are done putting it. Make sure your oven is 350 degrees. It will cook 30 minutes. And yeah, so I will put this. Now we're gonna close it. Doink, and put it. So you will click kitchen timer and 30 minutes and then click start. So I'm gonna Deb and see you guys in 30 minutes. Cut the camera. Tony, come. That's cool, Daddy. Good? Do this. So I tasted it, apparently. And now we're thinking of apparently like a smart idea. Take the cupcake, cut it in the middle, like this middle, then take any kind of ice cream, but not a popsicle, like let's say like this. You know what I would do? You can put that. there. First bite always best. You know what? I love it.
Huh?
You know what we should do? I feel like we should not make cupcakes for my birthday. Let's just do this, the same thing, and then just go there.